Kenzie's Toys and Dolls. As you see, I have a baby alive. Please click like and subscribe to be a part of the Kenzie's Toys and Dolls community. And this is not an ad for Hasbro. This is the baby alive, gotta bounce baby. So let's get her out of the box. I'm gonna have someone open my scissors here. And her name is Miley. I do have Hadley with me. And oh my goodness, she's down. Let me switch hands. She is saying, ooh, hello. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay her down. Now I'm gonna put her in between my, as you can see down there. There's, if you guys have one of her, what is the best way to get her out? In your opinion? And if you have a YouTube channel, put hashtag Kenzie's Toys and Dolls this weekend to collab with me with your baby dolls and do a vacation video with them. And then I'll watch it. So I have her bottle. I'm just trying to get to lay her down. And I do want to be quite careful. Because her neck does move. So I'm trying to kind of snip it. There we go. So now I just gotta get this other one.
This guy better start pedaling faster.
Put these, take this off from around her neck. Now cut on her side. I don't want to ruin the box because it's a quib. And you can also reuse this box. Don't want to cut her outfit. I did not. Like, you just cut her outfit. I did not. Now, I'm just gonna need to open. I did not want to really. There we go. I got her out. Here's Miley. Say hi, Miley. Hello. Put Miley there, and she comes with. There's a bottle. If you could still hear it in the background. A baby alive purple bottle and a diaper. And this beautiful artwork